And now let's very quick paint a picture. So imagine that you have a board with like hundreds of tickets. There is like 200 of tickets and they are unassigned. And this is a nightmare, especially if you are a scrum master or if you are a team leader or if you need to create reports based on task on your board and everything is unassigned. So you don't have to manually assign every single ticket to the person that will be responsible for, but we can automate it here. So how to actually create automation that will be successful enough to not make too many updates. So this is what we like to do. It will be automation that will be triggered from transition. So work item is transitioned. So whenever our work item will change the status, here we can decide, for example, from to do in progress. Let's assume that this is very basic workflow, to do in progress, in review done. And every single time that somebody will take their ticket issue, work item, and put it to in progress, this ticket will be assigned to this user. So then we need action. Let's find action, assign work item. And here you can select a user. Lots of things here again, but here you can choose user who triggered the event. So for example, if our Q&A specialist has to test something and they need to take another issue, another work item and put it in progress, it will be automatically assigned to this user. Because let's be honest, if this is not your item, you won't like move it, right? So this should be accurate in 90% of use cases. Of course, sometimes they are like some equations here, but this should be effective. That's it. That's simple. Let's save it and name it assigned based on transition. And let's take a look actually if this works. So let's go back to our road trips. And okay, we have different statuses here. So really quick, let's update it. It was this one. So here, let's put it from open. I don't remember what was there. I will take a open road attraction. Okay. Sorry for that. Forget about it. Okay, continue editing from open road to attraction. Okay, save. Let's go back to the space and let's take a look if this will change assignee to me. I will refresh and tada, it's assigned to me. If you want to go further, you can also add here the condition. Here in the middle, you can add condition and work item fields condition, and if assignee is empty. So in that case, this one will work only if the assignee was empty. So it will prevent situation where you assign something already and that something is unique or something like that, and then somebody will trigger it. So you can also add it here, but without it, it's also fine.